Are you curious about which AI tool is better for your needs? Today, we are comparing GPT4all and LM Studio. Both tools help you generate text and assist with writing tasks. They can create stories, answer questions, and even help with coding. But how do they differ? Let's start with GPT4all. This tool is known for its versatility. It can handle a variety of topics and styles. Users love its ability to create human like responses. It's designed to be user friendly, making it accessible for everyone. Now, let's look at LM Studio. This tool focuses more on structured tasks. It's great for projects that need specific guidelines. Users appreciate its organization and clarity. It's a solid choice for writers who like to have a clear direction. When it comes to differences, GPT-4 all shines in creativity and flexibility. It adapts well to different writing styles. On the other hand, LM Studio is more about structure and precision. If you need detail and organized content, it's a better fit. In terms of features, GPT-4 all offers a wide range of templates and prompts. It's perfect for brainstorming ideas. LM Studio, however, provides tools for project management. It helps you keep everything in order while you write. As for pricing, GPT-4 all usually has a subscription model. LM Studio often offers a one-time purchase. This can be a deciding factor depending on your budget. In the end, if you want creativity and flexibility, go for GPT-4 all. If you prefer structure and organization, LM Studio is the way to go. Thanks for watching. If you found this comparison helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.